This week's episode, technology is not the enemy. When I talk with hundreds of companies within the construction industry, I'm often shocked by the lack of current technology. Often, business owners are reluctant to consider employing technology to help manage and grow their businesses. I'm not sure why this fact is so prevalent within the construction industry, but it is. Numerous surveys and studies have proven that the construction industry is slow in incorporating new technologies, and in 2023, it's no different. From New York to LA, stakeholders and business owners are guilty of underinvesting in technology. They continue to rely on technological relics such as mobile phones, whose effectiveness has decreased over the years. It's a new day, and new technologies can help boost production, improve reputations, and be the difference between getting a project or losing it to another firm. Technologies such as drones, VR, robots, 3D printing, or IoT can help solve many of today's industry challenges. Companies must look at how technology can improve their current business. As the age of modern technology continues to evolve, technology will be a vital component of the construction industry. The firms and companies that adopt them early will reap huge rewards. Hey, thanks for watching. Come back each week for new videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our educational content.